Hello, and today my name is Murian-Coush, and we will install some kind of analytic tool. It is called Knime Analytic Platform, and is based in the range of ETL tool. So ETL is also ELT, but whatever you think of. So ELT, ETL meaning as first could be some kind of interesting question. Uh, let's take a look at image and ETL versus ELT. And you have here some kind of extract load transform, and here extract transform load, and this is some kind of the process to do the reporting and the data preparation. In as you see here, this is the goal of everything of that. And before you have to question yourself, do you want to extract the data and then transform it directly, or do you want to not directly do it and to load first just everything into it, put it everything into database and then you do some transform. But in general, the Knime tool is some kind of extract, transform, and then load. But it can also be extract and then load and then transform. So this is some kind of database stuff, but yeah, we can now just install the Knime and install Knime and Analytic. You have also some kind of other people who tell you how to do some kind of the Knime Pro, but it's not listed here except close. Enter your email here, for example. My email would be this, and then it's missing an 8. How you press the 8 again? I'm new to this. There it is, gmail.com, and the company is the university, some kind of anything you want. Murian-Coush Addem, countries would be Canada, for example, and the rule, it don't even matter here, something. And I would like not to get the starting email, but you have to do that, for example. So, yes, and you don't even have to put your real email here, by the way, you can just do anything. But the standard release would be here, 600 megabyte, normal install. And I would just not recommend to that, but just go here and start then building your first workflow. You see it will be downloading, and while it downloads, you can take a look here. Start at the tool palette, get starting guide. Download is for free, by the way. It's very free, and you can just try out with some tool, for example, X-Read, and then do some string cleaning, filter some rows, and so on. So this can be automated automation workflow for your company or for your internet purpose, whatever you might think of here. And yeah, it's almost done, and I will also guide you through how to click and what to do when it's on your PC. Yeah, let's just wait for it. Oh, it does have kind of a lot of big company here. Quite impressive. I think there's also some kind of paid version of Knime for the you say pricing. Probably you can do the automation for your team here. I run and automate workflows in the cloud. So yeah. Oh yeah, that is kind of a big deal here. Okay, we want to install, not buy. Install for me only, and has to be removed and install now. No, because I don't want to lose my stuff. That will probably wrap up the tutorial, and yeah, thank you very much at first, and always a pleasure to show you around. There's a kind of technical informatic stuff. And yes, so see you in the next one. Please take attention to my contact, anything, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Yeah, thank you very much, and see you in the next video, maybe. Bye.